This humble little home is more than 100 years old in a small village in the south of Colombia. This is a traditional home here in this village. Here is the kitchen and some coffee and some bread. There are 2 or 3 cooking stoves, as well as a kitchen sink, water, dishes, basically everything. Here is the traditional bedroom. There is an upstairs and a downstairs. This is a 3-story home with a lot of scary stories, actually. The lady that took me here lived here her entire childhood with a huge family, and they all told me a bunch of crazy ghost horror stories that happened quite often. Look at this beautiful view of the mountains. This is a small little village in the mountains in the south of Colombia, bordering the Ecuador border. There are many indigenous people here as well, and lots of old historical traditions, which is why there are lots of crazy ghost and folklore stories that still happen to this day. Basically, anyone will tell you some crazy ghost folklore story of them hearing someone screaming or crying in the night or seeing things. Also the gnomes, the elves, the duendes, all of the mystical folklore beings that you find in the forest. The people here talk about seeing or hearing these beings. And for someone like me who discusses spirituality and manifestation topics, I find it so fascinating. And yeah, I've already experienced some of these things myself, but that will be a different story for another time. And the bottom floor has a bedroom and another room over here, which you can see has completely worn away, so I think it's just storage, etc. There's a washing area over here. The clothes in here. There's a washing machine, and they hand wash the clothes and then hang it here. There's a bathroom and shower in here. And yeah, that is the ancient house tour. That sums up this house tour. Now I'm going to have some coffee and bread, which is like a normal snack breakfast. Basically, people have coffee and bread at all times of the day here, and the coffee is always sweetened with sugar, so you should say café amargo, por favor, which is regular black coffee if that's what you're into, like me. And just like Mexico, there's a million different types of bread, sweet bread, cheese bread, every kind of bread you can think of. All of the vegetable and fruits here are from Colombia, which is so cool. Everything just comes from the farms. I love how resourceful this little village is. Everything here is made and grown here, and if it's imported from another area of Colombia, such as grains, crops, fruits that are from the warmer areas, because this is a colder climate here. Canned fish and some fish is imported from Ecuador, which is right by the border here, maybe 4 hours away. It's so close. However, that sums up this mini video exploring a ancient little house here in a small village of Colombia. If you'd like to see more of my adventurous videos while I'm here in Colombia, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to let you know when I post a new video. Besides cultural exploration, I also discuss manifestation and success mindset, how to reprogram your mind to create the life that you want, and fitness content. See you all in the next video. Peace and love. Cheers.